7 decades of experience sets our balers apart. Superior engineering refined over the years yields a baling chamber designed to maximize geometry and physics, delivering exceptional bell density and integrity. Our proprietary auto tire design and the finest components ensure reliability and productivity, delivering a lower operating cost per ton. With the vision and tenacity of an eagle, American Baler takes performance to new heights. American Baler is sold and serviced worldwide. Headquartered in Bellevue, Ohio. Since 1945, American Baler has led the way with design and innovation. Modern state-of-the-art machining and robotic equipment. Our highly efficient hydraulic power units are built by American Baler. American Baler offers a long list of optional features to enhance single-ram auto tie baler operation, including single and dual fluffers to help make paper more baleable, the wire runout sensor alarm which signals the baler operator when it's time to replenish the baling wire supply, and the bale eject alarm which alerts the forklift operator when it's time to move a bale. Single ram auto tie balers are available in several different sizes, with and without shear blades, and are used by retail distribution, recyclers, printers, converters, corrugated box plants, folding carton plants, document destruction facilities. Our single ram wire tire is considered the best in the industry. We send the tire needles across the baler through the ram slots. Grab the 5 far side wires and quickly pull them out of the ram into the cut twist mechanism, grabbing the 5 near side wires on the way by. This design shortens the amount of time the needles are positioned in the ram slots and allows us to locate the cut twist mechanism on the same side as the needle cabinet. Because our cabinet is mounted on casters, it is easily swung open for threading new wires and performing tire maintenance. American Baler builds CE compliant single ram auto tie channel balers and 2 ram auto tie balers for use in Europe. 2 ram auto tie balers are used by recyclers, municipalities, MRF single stream plants, non-ferrous metal recyclers, printers. Our 2 ram balers come in several different models to meet the needs of customers baling a variety of materials. Setting variable wire spacing patterns for each material grade can help customers manage baling wire cost. Bell release is a standard feature on most of our 2 ram balers. The optional hydraulic stamper is a heavy-duty ram mounted above the baler shear blades, designed to cycle down automatically to help manage main ram cycling efficiency. We also provide optional operator platforms to meet your requirements. In the end, customers want square bells for easy handling and stacking and heavy bells for lower freight cost. Please contact us to learn more about our single ram and 2 ram models and ask us about our exceptional baler warranty.